Okay, right now I want to buy. I'm at the market. As you can see, I'm at the market. I want to buy a glass. I want to buy this glass. Currently, it is set to all the things you can buy. It is set to all. So I want to buy glasses. I will just use these glasses so that it will filter out the glasses for me. So if you are just starting. If you are just starting, you can take advantage of this promo. You can buy this star. You can buy this star $28.98. You can buy this one. So this one is actually this star is actually $41.44. But currently they are doing promo that you can buy for 28.98 cents. So this is the one I want to buy. I want to buy this unique. So I've made some money. I started with simple. I started with simple, then later I increased it. But now I want to buy this unique, which is 206. So if you want to buy this, if you want to buy it, it's just the same way to buy any glasses here. So just click on buy. Click on buy. Then this is 206. Buy to get up to 696. So I'll click on buy. Then I will choose my currency. My currency is in naira. So I will choose my currency. Back transfer method of payment. So debit or credit card. Debit or credit card, which is MasterCard. Back transfer. So I will use back transfer. I can also pay through Binance Pay or USDT, or if you have Lee. If I have Lee on my account, I can just use this Lee. If I choose Lee, I can also pay through Lee, but I'm paying through back transfer. I've selected that. So the next thing is for me to make payment. This is the amount I'm going to pay: 332,420 naira 12 kobo. So when you are ready, you just click on buy. Click buy. Buy glasses. Do you want to buy glasses? Your current glasses aren't broken yet. It's better to buy new ones when they are break. Please note all glasses you have bought break simultaneously during pay. So this I have one glass currently, but I want to buy this one. So what will happen is that the other one will be traded. The one I'm currently using will be traded. So I'll just click on here buy. So when I click here buy, then it will take me to where to pay. So I'm going to put my email, put my first name and my last name. Then I'll proceed to checkout. So it will direct me to the payment page where I will pay. Even the amount has dropped to 330,000 because of the exchange rate. The exchange rate is not stable. So it is simple. So this is the bank I'm paying to. Bank name Wema Bank. This is the account name. KPYINV. This is the account number. This is the account name. This is the account number. I will just copy the account number Then I'll send the amount that I want to pay. So I'll just open log into my account, and I'll make the transfer. So I'll just paste. I will paste the account number. They remember which bank. You remember it's Wema Bank, right? Let's double check. Bank name Wema Bank. So I'll just search for Wema Bank. Then what is the account name? Kora KPY INV. To double check, account name KPY INV. It is the name. Account number end with 32. So 32, I'm doing the right thing. So I'll just copy the amount. Copy this the amount here. Copy it and paste it. Paste it. 330,918 naira and 32 kobo. 918 naira 32 kobo. Then send. Now just put my pin. So as you can see, I just made payment. Of 330,919 kobo and 32, 918 naira and 32 kobo. So I just say done. So I'll just wait a little bit. They don't debit me on. See, they don't debit me. Sharp. These people know the thing. So I'll just go back. I'm supposed to go back and click that I have paid. But this thing, I think you have seen it. You have seen automatically. So even without me clicking, I have paid. So next thing is to check my next thing to go to my account and check if my glass is there. Wow, as you can see, this is my new glass, unique. You see it, automatic. This is the new glass. So immediately I make payment, you auto confirm it, and this is the new glass. So this is the new glass now. So under glasses, I have, this is the one I was using before. This is the one I rented. This is the one I started with. This is the one I bought. Simple. Now I just bought this one. So this will give me up to 600 or something in every month. So guys, it's up to you. Don't dull it. This is a project you need to key into. Don't wait until it's crowded. Alright, that's it. See you on inside, and let's chill together and make some dollars.